G'day everyone, this is Jason from OBDX Pro, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to install the drivers for the OBDX Pro VT. So first off, we need to head to our OBDX Pro downloads page, which is highlighted at the top, obdxpro.com/downloads. We'll then see this page, which will then go ahead and click on the download button for the VT driver. So click on that. In Chrome it shows it downloads, and you can click on it from the bottom left. Some other browsers may show it in the top right or other places. Otherwise you can always head to your downloads folder in your computer and then double click on it from there. So you click on that now. This is a normal screen simply because we haven't put a certificate on the application, as well as it's not used by tens of thousands of people. It is safe to use. I personally developed it. It's just a matter of going on and clicking run anyway. Then yes, and this is our installer. So it's just a matter of clicking next. Before I do, I don't have the cable connected. It's just so that the driver can install correctly, and then we'll plug the cable in to allow the computer to recognize the cable and the driver together. So this is normal, pops up a little command prompt indicating that it's installing the drivers. You just need to sit and wait for that to complete. It can take a few minutes. It might look like it's doing nothing. It's just a matter of waiting for it to complete. Once it's done, it will close down and disappear by itself, and we'll just be left with the final exiting message. From there we can then plug the cable in, open up Device Manager, make sure that it's actually installed the correct COM port thing for the cable. There we go, it's just closed. So now there's our exiting message. We can click exit. Now I'm going to open up Device Manager here. Just going to pop that down. There we go. To get to Device Manager, just head to the Start button and then actually type Device Manager, and you can click on it from there. You'll see a screen similar to this. We then head over to Ports and you click down. So I haven't plugged it in yet, but I'm about to plug the tool in now. So plug it on in. See, Windows detected it and instantly straight away loaded in the correct driver, and it says OBDX Pro serial, and it's now on COM7. Your COM port may be different, but that shows that it has installed. If it does just say USB serial, that's not quite right. If you've installed the driver, you can then right click and click update driver, and that will actually detect and put the correct driver onto it. So that's all for today. Any questions, please feel free to post below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.